Today we're going to work on saying letter names quick. So we're working on our fluency. We want to be able to say letter names quickly, and we also want to be able to say the right letter names. So I'm going to show you one time how I would go through and say my letter names. And again, we have our clock over here that's set for 1 minute because each time we practice, we want to get a little bit farther. Last month, you'll remember we had a paper that said September. Now we have a paper that says October, and it has some pumpkins over here. So this is a new paper with the letters in a new order. You'll notice there are still uppercase and lowercase letters on our practice paper. So I'm going to tap the timer, and then I'm going to start here with this letter, and I'm going to go and tap and say the name of each letter going this way. When I get to this last letter, I swoop down here, and now I'm going to tap and say each letter name on this row. So I'm working down the page. You can say the letter names with me as I'm practicing, and then you'll have a turn to practice. Okay, here we go. K, A, T, Z, L, G, J, O, V, Y, Q, D, D, R, F, Q, S, D, H, P, V, P, Z, U, S, K, B, P, R, M, P, X, Y, E, D, D, T. Letter T. Now it's your turn to practice saying the letter names. See how far you can get in 1 minute. And remember, you can always come back to this video and keep practicing and seeing if you can say a few more letter names every time you practice. Also remember, if there's a letter that you don't know the name, just skip right on over. No worries, a lot of these letters we haven't learned their names yet. So I'm going to press the timer for you. You are going to tap and say the letter's name. If you have this paper printed out, you'll be tapping on your paper. Working with me on the computer, you'll be tapping on the screen as you say the letter name. Ready? Begin. Remember to skip a letter if you don't know its name. And that was 1 minute. See what letter you stopped at, and maybe the next time you practice, you'll get a little bit farther. Nice job!